Oh, buddy, let's start. Number 9.
Yeah.
I think that's a good place to start.
Sure, yeah, why not?
You know that we love all you viewers out there, and you've been on fire this week, supplying us with useless but interesting information like this gem about sneezes. One viewer tells us, my husband says Sancho when his buddies sneeze. And here is why. When Mexicans are being polite, many say salud. However, if you know the person sneezing very well, you can also say Sancho. Sancho is a name, but it is also Mexican slang for the other guy. Therefore, when your guy friend sneezes, you're basically implying that Sancho is at his house with his woman. Well, that was a lot to unpack there, huh?
I quite follow it, but
I didn't know if I felt even appropriate reading that, but it's read, and now it's out there, and there's nothing I can do about it.
Yeah.
all right, number 8. This is what it's like to be Tom Cruise. You have little getaways like this all over the world. This one just sold for $39 million.
Oh, he sold it.
It's in
Good.
Telluride, Colorado. I think this is where he did the interview with Katie Holmes, right?
Yeah, that's where, yeah.
Cruz bought it in the 90s. It's also the place where he had, oh boy, I should
There you
have
go.
kept reading.
No.
Yeah, that interview. Oprah did the interview with him and Katie Holmes there. Yeah, so, you know, just a little.
Speak before you think.
I know.
Come on, it
Darn
served
it.
you well this long.
Eh. Oh well.
All right, number 7, don't refrigerate your tomatoes if you want them to keep their distinctive flavor. Yeah, scientists and foodies have known for some time that cooling tomatoes can sap their flavor. But they were not exactly sure why until now. A new study found out when a tomato's environment drops below 68 degrees, the genes responsible for making it taste like a tomato get turned off. In taste tests, volunteers rated chilled tomatoes as less tasty than fresh tomatoes. Chilling the tomato will only keep it looking fresh longer, but you lose the flavor.
All right. Number 6, 75 hard is the latest fitness trend from Andy Frisella. He has a podcast, and just like the name says, his plan is 75 days long. And it's not easy. You can follow any diet you choose, plant-based, low-carb, paleo. You must do 2 45-minute workouts a day, but one must be outdoors. The point here is you can't always control the weather, just like you can't always control things in your life. It's meant to be as much of a process for the mind as it is the body. If you drink alcohol or have a cheat meal, you must go back to day 1 and start all over again, and must drink 1 gallon of water a day, and you must read at least 10 pages of a nonfiction book each day to expand your brain. Frisella says after 75 days, you'll be a different person.
Yeah, you will.
Oh, you don't say.
One that no one wants to be around.
Yeah, for sure.
But Larry, this goes against your whole thinking of, what do you say, you can't outrun a fork?
You can't outrun a fork.
So it's like all that working out, if you're still eating a bunch of garbage.
No, did you miss the first half of the story?
Well, he said you can eat whatever you want.
No,
He didn't say that. He said you could be on whichever diet plan you want to be on.
You were
what if-
And
hearing
if you
that.
cheat, you go all the way back to day 1.
Yeah.
Well, did he say it has to be a specific type? What if it's the Cheeto
Yeah.
diet? I mean, there's lots of diets out there.
Yeah,
lot of
right.
You have a
options.
lot of
That's
books
very
on the
ice cream
Cheeto
diet's
diet.
great too, yeah.
Just
Yeah. Number 5, the Plain of Jars in north central Laos has been a mystery to archaeologists. Is it plural? It's Laos, right?
Yeah.
Is that how the country is pronounced? Cambodia, Laos,
So, yes.
right?
Yeah.
Couldn't remember who it was.
Beats me.
Anyway, it's been a mystery to archaeologists and locals for many years, but now there are some answers to what the heck these thousands of large stone jars are. They range from about 3 to 10 feet high,
All right.
and they're strewn across about 30 square miles.
Woo, that's a lot.
Researchers recently did some carbon dating on bones and charcoal in the soil, and they found the jars were probably used as burial vessels. But there's still more mystery. They figured out that some of the jars are as old as 1000 BC. But other evidence shows human activity around them from as recently as 800 years ago. So one theory is they were originally used for burial, and then, they regifted them. They were reused
For what?
for brewing celebratory rice wine for rituals.
Oh, wait a minute. So they're brewing
Little
wine
extra
someplace
flavor
where
in
you
there.
buried people?
And Robin, I think hygiene was a lot different 800 years
Yeah.
ago.
Wow.
But if you want to judge them, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
All right. Number 4. because all of the WGN producers got a press release about this a few minutes before we went on the air. Say hello to Baby Jane, the pot-bellied pig.
Hello, Baby Jane.
She is a world record holder for the oldest living pig in captivity.
Wow.
It just happened. That
Really?
announcement just came, and her family could not be more proud. Baby Jane is 23 years, 88 days old. She broke the previous record held by Ernestine in Canada. She lives in Mundelein
God bless.
with her family,
Congratulations.
Patrick and Stan,
very
and her younger
pig-friendly
sister
town.
Lucy. Lucy's 16 and a half.
Wow.
She's also a pig. Baby Jane's been all around the country traveling with her family in their motorhome.
Oh.
She loves Mundelein, but her favorite vacation spot is Key West, Florida.
Big Buffett fan.
Big Buffett fan.
Yeah.
How old?
I forgot already.
16.
23, did they
23.
say? 23.
Oh, 23. That's the longest living
His sister was 16.
Pot-bellied pig. Yeah,
belly pig.
right here in
Well, they could
Mundelein.
say in captivity, it should be like, you know, it's just have a nicer sound to it, though.
Yeah.
Fantastic accomplishment, but like in bliss or something like,
Yeah.
he's got a home.
Yeah.
It's a pig with a home.
Living a nice life.
You're darn right.
Yeah, for 23 years. A lot better than a lot of them, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
Well, good luck. Whatever, Baby Jane, was that
I
Mary
think-
Jane
uh-huh,
or whatever
uh-huh.
it was? Yep.
And we'll have hot dog pie.
Oh, God,
Yeah,
that's
hot
right.
dog pie coming up in a little bit. Tune in. Talk about feeling gratitude.
Jeez.
Yeah, lots to be thankful for. All right, number 3, another thank you to a viewer who reminded us about poo pets.
Oh, yeah.
These are 100% cow manure. They're little figurines of rabbits and frogs that you put right in your garden, and they slowly degrade over 3 years while they fertilize your yard. So
Oh, boy.
that's nice, right?
Yeah, that is
Can't
nice.
get enough of those. Look how happy they all look.
Well, let's write that down for Larry's
Poo
Christmas gift.
pets.
Jeez.
Oh, boy. Larry, is that all right with you? This
It's
is kind
science.
of,
This is highbrow. This is gardening.
yeah. It's horticultural.
Yeah, science.
It's fine. I don't think we need to do sound effects every time we do it. either.
Wow,
all right.
you're in the minority.
You mean side
You
effects
mean
like this?
Yeah. I mean, the 8-year-old boys are already at school.
Or do they mean side effects like this?
They're still funny. You got both of those for
Larry,
good.
do us a
is it
favor.
this?
Lean over towards Robin.
It's stupid. It's lowbrow.
I know.
Wait. Are you saying, Larry,
Yeah.
are you saying that this is lowbrow?
Yes. All right, speaking of, number 2, it's considered the greatest movie of all time.
You get so angry. I love
But
it.
Citizen Kane recently lost its perfect score on Rotten Tomatoes. Here's the thing. The worst part of being on this show is when something's supposed to be funny and it isn't. And that's my point, is it's just offensive because it's lowbrow, it's beneath us.
The problem is, it is funny. We all think it's funny. Think you don't think it's funny. Wait, Pat, did you want to add something?
I just wanted to add. That's all.
All right.
I'm sorry, Larry. I apologize.
Clearly, the CEO of this new company that owns us doesn't watch this show. It's probably a good thing.
He's watching those checks clear, though.
Yeah. In any event, Citizen Kane recently lost its perfect score on Rotten Tomatoes thanks to an 80-year-old Chicago newspaper review.
Owns 82,364 shares of public transit preferred. You see, I do have a general idea of my holdings. I sympathize with you. Charles Foster Kane is a scoundrel. His paper should be run out of town. A committee should be formed to boycott him. You may, if you can form such a committee, put me down for a contribution of $1,000.
My time's
On the
too
other
tight.
hand, I am the publisher of the Inquirer. As such, it's my duty, and I'll let you in on a little secret. It's also my
The
pleasure.
website recently added a negative review of Citizen Kane published by the Chicago Tribune on May 7, 1941. It recently turned up in some archives. It was published under a pseudonym named May Tinney. The headline read, Citizen Kane fails to impress critic as greatest ever filmed. The critic called the movie a flop and said it gave people the creeps. Rotten Tomatoes adjusted its score accordingly. The movie is now only 99% fresh. But you know what does have 100% and is certified fresh? Paddington 2.
Oh,
So take that, Orson Welles.
is that a good one? You guys seen
Paddington
that?
movies are good.
A lot of times the sequel's not as good as the
Right.
first, but
Yeah.
I think that and Godfather are
The only
probably
two.
the two.
Really? All right. I'll put those on my list. Number 1. Here's a guy on TikTok named Chris Bowdens. He's going to play Billy Joel's Piano Man for his 2 huskies and 1 golden retriever, and I wonder if they're going to like it.
What is that all about?
I think that means they like it, right?
Yeah,
Does it mean they like it or they don't like it?
Well, let's see from the beginning again.
I don't know.
Now see there.
Or maybe they don't.
It's awesome.
Poor golden.
Awesome.
Wow.
All right, that's it. That's the All 9 at 9.
9